Hi, it's me again, Tiffin Rotsa Mendoza. Today's presentation, we're going to show you how to cook kare kare. Kare kare, my friend, is very complicated to cook. But in my presentation today, I would make it easy, very easy for you. I would like you to know, first of all, the ingredients. We only have one meat here. We have oxtail. You could get this anywhere. See how it looks. Then we have the vegetable, the string beans, the eggplant, long eggplant I pick, and this is the boy choy. As you can read it, see how it looks. We have the peanut butter, that is one of the most important, and the we have the bagoong. It's salted shrimp, really very salted. That is always eaten side by side with rice. And we have this anchito. This is just for coloring to make it appetizer. Do not use a food color. For this, you use this anchito. We melted it in a half, maybe 1/4 cup of water. Now, and we have the onions here, of course. First step is we salt the oxtail. We put the onions, then the oxtail, and water just to cover it, cover the meat with water. And we have to boil this. It will take a while to boil because it's this type of meat has to be cooked thoroughly. And when it's boiling, just shake it a little bit so that it will not stick at the bottom. And when it's done and tender, you could make it, put it aside and let it cool for overnight again. Cover it and let it cool for overnight. Put it in the refrigerator, not in the freezer, but in refrigerator. The reason why, because these oxtails, they have fat, and it's not so good for your health. And this fat, when you cook it, it will mix in the water and it will go up at the top and cover it, so that next day you will see that the fat is up at the top like this. See, this is overnight in the refrigerator. Take this fat away. This is no good for your health. No good for your health. See? It's no good for the health. That's why kare kare could not be cooked, could not be eaten right away. You have to have at least a day. Then keep it boiling again. For the meantime, when it's boiling, we have to prepare the vegetable. The string beans, cut it at the edge, at the bottom. Then we have to cut the eggplant. Then we have to cut the boy choy. And we just put everything. You could put it together, or you could put it one at a time. Cover it again. And we really have to wait until it's cooked. Now, we could put the unsweaty. This is water and the unsweaty, just for color, to make it look appetizing. See how nice is it? Vegetable is fresh, so very fresh. And the final touch, ladies and gentlemen, is the peanut butter. Put like two or three tablespoonful of peanut butter. See, it's melting. It's melting good. Maybe more of peanut butter. You just have to calculate the consistency of peanut butter, how you like it. You like it with a little bit soup, and if you like it very thick, it's your choice. And we have to wait until the vegetable is done. But that is the process of it. Now we have the finished product here, the kare kare. As you see, the vegetable is well done, and the peanut butter is mixed together. That smells so nice. Mostly, and we have the bagoong, the salty shrimp release, and rice. This is eaten side by side with rice and bagoong. It's a salty shrimp and the kare kare. See? And we put some vegetable. The vegetable has to well done cook. Now, as you eat it, mix it a little bit with rice and a little bit of the curry, of the bagoong, and a little bit of meat. It is too good. So the bagoong, the salted fish fry, it smells differently, but you don't have to worry, because the stronger smell, the more is delicious and very appetizing to eat. So my friend, ladies and gentlemen, this is the conclusion of kare kare. We make it so easy for you. Thank you so much. This is Stephen again, and thank you for watching my channel. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart.